Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Our art and craft video for today is especially made to my husband for our third marriage anniversary. It's a DIY special gift using plaster of Paris and a box. Enjoy the video. Let us make best out of waste, spread love and happiness. To my husband, dear love, my heart sings a joyful song of love, happiness, and passion. The minute I heard our love story, it's all coming back, the gorgeous memories. You have touched my heart that no one else has ever been able to get to. It was like a dream. Impossible things became possible. From long distance relationship, now we've been married for 3 years. It was happening like a tornado, so fast while we're spinning in our love. Here's to another year filled with love. Every day I discover that I love you even more and more with each passing years. No matter how much time goes by, I'll never forget the first time you looked at me, shone your warmest smile, and sparkled eyes, and how I fell in love even more with you. When I tell you that I loved you, I am not saying it out of habit. I am reminding myself how blessed I am to have you. You are my life. You are my hope. You are my inspiration. You are my everything. I love you very much. Happy third marriage anniversary. Thank you very much for everything. You make me happy. May God bless us always. Truly yours, your loving wife. Please like and share the video and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching.